Welcome to Enlisted to Entrepreneur. I'm Bud Evans. I'm thrilled to have you here on the channel. If you're looking to transition from a disciplined life of service to a thriving career in real estate, you've come to the right place. Let me share a bit about myself. So I proudly served as a police officer in Radnor Township for 13 years and dedicated over 35 years to the United States Air Force as both an enlisted troop and a military officer. For a brief period, I even served as the mayor of Cinnaminson, New Jersey. My journey didn't stop there. At 49 years old, I started investing in real estate. I'm a licensed real estate agent in New Jersey, and I'm a passionate real estate investor with properties in Southern New Jersey, Cleveland, Ohio, and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I went so far, so fast that I became a real estate investment coach for 𝐻𝐿. I now mentor others through my military-based rental-specific program, helping fellow veterans, first responders, and current service members achieve financial freedom and generational wealth through real estate. On this channel, I'm going to share my expertise in the BRRRR method, commercial multifamily analysis, property management, and velocity and infinite banking. I've underwritten over $100 million in deals, and I have a pretty sizable portfolio. I have the experience and knowledge to guide you on your path to success. I manage 8 diverse companies, from property management to portfolios to hair salons. My mission is to inspire and equip you with the tools and strategies to achieve generational wealth and thrive in real estate. So whether you're a veteran or first responder looking to make a career change, you're an inspiring investor, or just someone who is simply interested in real estate, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and join the community. Let's aim high together and turn your real estate dreams into reality. Welcome to Enlisted to Entrepreneur. Until the next video, aim high.